This is Caleb DeBruin reporting to you. And to finish off the story, report of the missing fish. This is the second report, and please watch the first report if you've not watched this. If you've not watched it already. And as I'm telling you, in the last part, there was a missing fish walking around this house. But we found it, and I would not like to show you right now, because if I did, you would be very grossed out, and it's very disgusting. So, just wanted you to know that the case of the missing fish is now closed.